Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, we continue our learning series about the topic Austrian words for tourists. In this video, we learn how to say goodbye in Austrian German. For example, we are going to cover words like Auf Wiederschauen, Servus, Pfiat, and so on. At the end of the tutorial, I will show you a special way to say goodbye in Vienna. If you are interested in another special topic, please let me know in the comments below. Let's get started. The learning goal of this video is to learn how to say goodbye in Austrian German. The most important formal way to say goodbye in Austria is Auf Wiederschauen, Auf Wiederschauen. Another common way is Auf Wiedersehen, Auf Wiedersehen, which is used in Germany as well. The one-to-one translation would be something like till we see us again. If you just want to learn one word for saying hello and goodbye, you can choose Servus. Servus. On the one hand, Servus can be your first word for starting a conversation. On the other hand, Servus can be your last word for ending a talk. Servus. In dialect, you will also hear Servus, Sers. Using Austrian German dialect, saying goodbye can be translated as Pfiat. For informal situations, you can say Pfiat, Pfiat for one person, and Pfiat for more people, Pfiat. To make it more formal, you can adjust it by using Pfiatina, Pfiatina. If you've seen my video about greeting, you will recognize that Pfiat is used in a similar way as Grüß for saying hello. For example, Grüß dich, Grüß euch, Grüßina. Additionally, you may come across the phrase Pfiat gut, which is like Grüß Gott, but in the context of farewell. Another way of saying goodbye is possible with the word bis, which means till in English. For instance, we can say bis morgen, meaning till tomorrow. Bis zum nächsten Mal, till next time. In dialect you will also hear bis zum nächsten Mal. The English phrase see you soon can be translated as bis bald or bis bald in dialect. As promised, I will show you a special way to say goodbye in Vienna. This is common especially among friends. It is very simple and is done just by saying Baba, Baba. Let's repeat the most common words and phrases for saying goodbye in Austrian German. Auf Wiederschauen, Servus, Pfiat, Pfiat, Pfiatina, bis bald, Baba. I hope I could give you the one or the other little tip for saying goodbye in Austrian German. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. If you're interested in more words and phrases for tourists, please check out the playlist about it. See you in the next video, have a nice day, Auf Wiederschauen, Servus und Baba.